Okay guys, after searching through all the papers and personal things that were in the sewing machine in these little hidden drawers, we figured out the person that owned it worked for the TVA, and during winter they draw the water down and you can walk around the lake bottom, and one of the lakes is Douglas Lake. And we figured out what these crystals are. They're Douglas diamonds, named after that lake. They're quartz crystals. And a lot of these papers, all these papers were jammed into this little drawer here, along with all those pocket knives. And there's just hundreds of papers in there. A lot of those papers, they date back to the 1940s. And a lot of them are pay stubs from, he worked at a bunch of different companies. And I think some of them he was making like $2 an hour or something like that. Or even less than that. But it wasn't much money. Probably back then in the 1940s, that was a lot of money. But there was all sorts of personal papers in here and very old stuff. The oldest ones dated back to the 40s. There's bank statements and all sorts of things. But it was very interesting to find that. And that was pretty cool to find that little hidden release on this drawer. But we got the sewing machine cleaned up a little bit. And, oiled up the wood. It's looking good. I still have to repair the little treadle on it.
It might be something else.
Yeah, and we oiled the mechanism, so the whole sewing machine spins freely, real easily. So all I have to do is weld that, and you could actually sew on this, which I'm going to start working on that pretty soon. But super cool find, and all the little hidden treasures. It was amazing. So you never know what you find in an old thrift store find like that. So get out there and search for some cool items like this.